Welcome to the AI Language Lab, where teachers thrive and AI comes alive. I'm your host, Jerome, bringing you concise yet powerful episodes filled with practical insights on integrating AI into your language classroom. Each episode is short enough for your commute or coffee break, delivering tasks and strategies you can immediately implement to enhance your teaching. Be sure to check out our companion YouTube video for visual demonstrations of today's practical task. Before we dive in, I'm Jerome. I've taught languages for over 20 years and led digital learning departments. I'm also an education consultant dedicated to helping language teachers harness the potential of educational technology and AI. Starting a podcast is both really exciting and a bit nerve-wracking. My hope is that the AI Language Lab will become a useful companion for everyone, whether you're already comfortable with AI tools or just starting out and feeling a bit unsure. We're all learning together here. Let's start by clarifying an important distinction. AI is your assistant, not your replacement. As language teachers, we bring cultural nuance, emotional intelligence, and adaptive teaching skills that no AI can replicate. Think of AI as your teaching aid, handling routine tasks like creating worksheets, generating examples, or drafting feedback templates. This allows you more time to connect meaningfully with your students. The most effective teachers use AI strategically, preserving the vital human elements of teaching while benefiting from technological efficiency. To effectively use AI, we first need to master the art of prompting, clearly instructing the AI on what you need to do. A good prompt is detailed, specific, and contextual. Start simply. Clearly state your desired output, specify your audience, and provide context. This initial clarity makes a huge difference in the quality of AI-generated content. To help structure and refine your prompts further, you can use the CLEAR acronym, C-L-E-A-R. C stands for clear goal, be precise about what you want. L stands for level and audience, clearly define your learners. E stands for examples and context, provide the necessary background information. A stands for action format, specify exactly how you want the output structured. And R stands for review and refine, carefully check and improve the AI-generated content. The final step, review and refine, is absolutely crucial. As educators, we must always verify AI-generated content carefully for accuracy, bias, and potential misinformation before sharing it with students. Remember, AI tools can sometimes produce incorrect, biased, or misleading information, so your oversight is essential. Let's get ready for a bit of practical in the lab. Today's actionable task is to create your own reusable prompt template for generating vocab tests. I put the CLEAR template in the podcast description for easy reference, but here's an example of a CLEAR prompt. Create a vocab test for A2 English learners focusing on weather-related vocab. Include 12 common weather terms, splitting the test into two sections. The first section prompts students to provide definitions or explanations in English, and the second section requires students to translate terms into their native language. Format this as a structured worksheet with numbered questions and space for answers, and include an answer key at the end. Students have already learned basic present tense verbs. In our YouTube demonstration, I'll show you how to use the CLEAR framework to deliver excellent prompts. As a little extra, I'll also show you how to quickly generate vocab tests by importing your word list or using image recognition features to automate the task. If you're already comfortable with prompts, extend today's task by experimenting with automated differentiation. Create 3 distinct versions of your test adapted for different proficiency levels: beginner, intermediate, and advanced. Some people are going to say, well, there are some apps out there which allows us to be generating worksheets and exercises. It's true, there's plenty of apps, so AI apps out there. Some of them are free, some of them have got premium options. They're good if you're unsure about your prompting skills or you're in a hurry. However, investing time in crafting and storing your own CLEAR prompts will eventually save you significant time and provide highly customized material. Share your experiences, favorite tools, or effective prompts in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe to the AI Language Lab to stay updated on innovative teaching strategies. Thank you for joining me at the AI Language Lab, where teachers thrive and AI comes alive. Until next time, happy teaching!